Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a bill in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click on business menu and then go to purchase overview. And next to the bills, like up here, you're gonna see new. So let's click on it, or like here, and you can choose repeating bill or just normal bill. Let's click bill. Now when you got it, you can simply choose it from here, add from the library, or you can just write here, like from who is it, right? Then you're gonna add new item, or you can choose the items here, and again just write here the item that you want to have built upon. And then you're gonna see amounts are no tax, and you're gonna see total here, and we gotta see also reference. So you're gonna see approve and add another, or you can now you can also assign expenses to a customer. It's like really up to you. And when you got it, click approve. Now let's just wait here. And has announced the credit, would like to allocate the credit to this bill. Yeah, okay. And let's go. We got it. So I just updated the bill. Thank you very much. This is how you can simply do it. And this is how you work with bills. So have a great day and goodbye.